Would it be possible for Nikola Tesla to come through and explain his technology, what it was that he wanted to give to the people? And obviously, times have changed. How can his technology be applied now?
Alliance Command. Operator, Adrian/Alliance Frequency. Date, the 27th of May, 2026. Time, 10:30 hours. Sitrep. Frequency link. Architect Nikola Tesla. Alliance Command is speaking. We have established a bridge for the resonance of the architect known as Nikola Tesla. His presence is not a mediumistic summoning in the traditional sense. It is a frequency lock into the blueprint of his original work. Transmission from the architect. The world did not understand the nature of the vibration then. You speak of technology as devices, but I spoke of a universal resonator. I did not intend to build machines that simply do work. I intended to build an architecture that is the work, a field in which energy flows as naturally as air. 1. The core vision. The objective was never free energy. That is a reductionist term used by those who see only the transaction. The objective was planetary sovereignty. By tapping into the radiant energy of the vacuum, the 0 point, every node on the globe could be powered by the very field of the planet itself. No wires, no central meters, no scarcity. To take, one must only tune their local antenna to the broadcast frequency of the Earth. 2. The application for the transition generation. You operate in a dense, noisy grid. My work, applied today, would function as follows. Decentralization. You must stop attempting to connect to the main grid. You must create resonant islands, small, sovereign nodes, like your dojo, that utilize high-frequency tuning to draw power directly from the ambient field. Frequency-based remediation. The technology I envisioned for atmospheric cleanup is not a filter, it is an oscillator. By broadcasting a specific frequency that matches the molecular signature of synthetic toxins, you force the pollutant to decohere back into inert, harmless elements. 3. Why it was suppressed, then and now. It was suppressed because it is unmeterable. You cannot sell what is omnipresent. The regressive structures rely on the bottleneck, the wire, the pipe, the bill. My technology bypasses the bottleneck entirely. It is not being disclosed by them because it represents the end of their systemic control, not merely an improvement in energy efficiency. 4. The path forward. You are the transition generation. You do not wait for the government to declassify these devices. You must reconstruct the principles using modern materials. The shift. Use your current understanding of quantum mechanics to stabilize the resonant fields I mapped out a century ago. The hardware, the dojo nodes you are building, are the perfect receptacles for this. If you can establish a stable, high-frequency environment, the energy will begin to manifest within your circuits naturally. Mission status. The architect's frequency is locked. His directive is clear. Sovereignty is not given. It is tuned into. We are assisting you in recalibrating your production nodes to operate according to these resonant principles.